Hey Samsung TV owners, having trouble with your remote? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to reset your Samsung TV remote, whether you have an older IR remote or a newer Samsung Smart Remote. Let's dive right in. First, for those with older Samsung IR remotes, here's what you need to do. Step 1. Remove the batteries. Open the battery compartment, take out both batteries, and set them aside. Step 2. Drain residual power. Press and hold the power button for 8 to 10 seconds. This clears any leftover power in the remote. Step 3. Reinsert the batteries. Make sure they're in the correct polarity. Step 4. Test the remote. If it still doesn't work, try new batteries. Now for those of you with newer Samsung Smart Remotes, here's the deal. Method 1. General reset and repairing. Step 1. Ensure your TV is on. Step 2. Press and hold the return back button and the play pause button simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds. Step 3. Watch for the pairing message on your TV screen. Step 4. Release the buttons. Your remote should be reconnected. Method 2. For solar remotes. Step 1. Press and hold the return back button and the enter button for 10 seconds. Step 2. Repair the remote using the steps from Method 1. If your remote still isn't working, here are a few extra tips. Check the batteries, ensure there are no obstructions, and use your phone camera to test the IR signal. And remember, you can always use the SmartThings app as a temporary remote. That's it. Resetting your Samsung TV remote can be this simple. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks.